Hi, my name is Eric Trach and welcome to another great tutorial video for JomSocial. Today I'll show you how to set up JomSocial in Amazon S3 remote storage. Let's go to the backend and see what we'll actually need to make this work. So let's log in, navigate to Components, JomSocial Configuration, and Remote Storage tab. Let's start with storage methods on the left. Here's a list of, let's call them file groups. All of them are pretty much self-explanatory, perhaps apart from files, the last one right here. Files means every file attachment to group discussions, for example, or group announcements. You can decide which ones are going to be saved on Amazon S3 and which are going to be stored locally. I've decided that all of them are going to be stored on Amazon, so I'm just going to change this real quick to Amazon S3. Now let's look on the right side and see what Amazon S3 required fields look like. And we have the bucket name, the access key, secret key, and Amazon storage class. These are going to be explained in a minute, but first let's go and log into Amazon S3's website. Please remember that Amazon S3 is not a free service, so do take the time to get to know Amazon's offer. I'll assume that you have already registered, so I'll just log into Amazon S3. To do that, let's go to this address, that's aws.amazon.com/console, right here, and my account. Sign in. Okay, so we needed the access key and the secret key from Amazon for our setting in the backend. To get it, let's navigate to security credentials down here and scroll down. Right here in the middle you have the access key and you have the secret key. To reveal the secret access key, just click on show right here. Okay, let's start by copying the access key ID. Just select it, copy it, go back to JomSocial configuration and paste it right here where it says access key. Let's do the same for the secret one. Copy and paste. All we're missing right now is the bucket name. Let's create the bucket. To do it, let's go back to the Amazon's website. From the top menu, select AWS Management Console, and it's going to ask you to sign in again and navigate to S3 right here. Once inside, we can create a bucket to which all of your JomSocial files will be saved. Click on Create Bucket and fill in its name. I'm going to name mine Videos with Eric. It's really important for your bucket name to be written only in lowercase letters. No numbers, no capital Ks, no nothing, no special symbols, only lowercase letters. Otherwise there will be an error and your files won't be transferred to Amazon Cloud. So please remember lowercase letters only. The next field, region. As most of my users come from United States, I'm just going to leave the US standard here. For more information on this, please contact Amazon S3 and click Create. The bucket has been successfully created, so really the only thing left for us to do is to remember its name, go back to JomSocial's backend and type the bucket name right in this field. I just did Videos with Eric. Okay, so we have the bucket name, we have the access key and the secret key. As for the Amazon storage class, that really depends on the subscription and the offer you choose and you sign up for. So for more information on this, please contact Amazon S3. Let's save changes. And that's it. Amazon S3 has been successfully set up on your side. And now let's test it. The file transfer between your local server and Amazon S3 is managed by JomSocial cron job. How to set it up, it's a topic for another video. For now, I'm just going to run it manually. As you can see, the cron moved a few files. It does transfer files in batches not to overload your server by moving sometimes tens of thousands of files at the same time. Before I finish, I just want to make sure all bases are covered. In case you wanted to ever move out of Amazon S3 and back to your local server, this is what needs to happen. So in the backend, please do not change any of these settings on the right hand side. Just pick local server from storage methods on every files you want to have back on your local server, and then save the changes. Again, please do not change anything on the right hand side, save the changes, and run the cron job. The cron job again will move files gradually out of Amazon S3 and back to your local server. If you don't do it and just delete all of those settings right here in the backend, your website will simply have a lot of missing files, missing photos, missing videos, user avatars, and so on and so forth. So not to lose those files, please remember that this is how you go back from Amazon S3 to your local server. The most crucial things to remember from this video are: bucket name must always be lowercase letters only. Cron job move files in batches and it's essential for this integration to work. Remember to move files back if you ever wanted to resign from Amazon S3 services and to use the cron job for it. I hope the video helped, and I'm hoping to see you guys with the next one. If you have any questions or concerns, please go to our forum. The link is visible on the screen right now. And again, thank you for watching. Your feedback is greatly welcome. So please leave your comments under the video. Thank you.